In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Markdown in Reddit. Markdown is a simple way to format your text using symbols instead of clicking a bunch of buttons. It lets you create things like bold text, italics, lists, and links very quickly once you get used to it. Reddit supports Markdown, but by default you might see the standard visual editor instead. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to switch over to Markdown mode, step by step. First, open Reddit in your browser or app and go to any post where you want to leave a comment. You can do this on your home feed, on a subreddit, or on a specific post you're interested in. Once you've found the post, look for the comment box underneath it. This is usually a text area that says something like, add a comment, or what are your thoughts? Click directly on that comment box. As soon as you click there, the comment editor will open up fully. You should now see the space where you can type, along with a small toolbar at the top of that box. This toolbar typically includes formatting icons for things like bold, italics, and links, along with an option that looks like the letters AA. Now look carefully for that AA icon. It's usually near the top right or top center of the comment editor, depending on your device and Reddit's current layout. This icon is what lets you switch between the regular visual editor and Markdown mode. Go ahead and click on the AA icon. After clicking it, a small menu or option should appear that includes something like Switch to Markdown. Select Switch to Markdown. Once you do that, the appearance of the comment box may change slightly. The toolbar might become simpler, and you'll now be able to type using Markdown formatting directly into the text area. From this point on, you can write your comment using Markdown syntax. For example, you can use stars around words for emphasis, or other symbols to create different text styles. When you're finished, you can submit your comment as usual, and Reddit will display it with the formatting you specified. If you ever want to go back to the standard visual editor, just click the AA icon again and choose the option to switch back. That way you can move between the two modes depending on what feels most comfortable for you.